Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Arvind Vos. Okay, randomly I just started recording because I am going to my hometown now. Oh yo, this much English. So ఇంటికి వెళ్తున్నాను ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఏమో నాకు స్టార్టింగ్లో మొత్తం రికార్డ్ చేయాలనిపించలేదు, సో అందుకే రికార్డ్ చేయలేదు. ఇక్కడికి వచ్చాక ఎందుకో సడన్గా రికార్డ్ చేయాలనిపించింది, అందుకే పెట్టాను ఫ్రెండ్స్. కెమెరా పెట్టాను ఫ్రెండ్స్, మైక్ పెట్టాను ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఓకే, సో ఫ్రమ్ హియర్ ఇఫ్ ఐఎమ్ నాట్ రాంగ్ around 240-250 kilometers will be there. So I just started in the mid noon. After 12 o'clock I started because I have some work to finish. So I thought of, even though if I don't have any work, I would have not started in the morning because it's too cold. Like I feel like somewhere I'm in between Ooty or Kodaikanal. That climate I can experience in Bangalore now. Not even in Bangalore, everywhere it is like that only, is what I heard. So basically we will go from Bangalore on Chintaman road to Madanpalli to Raichoti and Kadapa to Pradipur to my home. Zoom, like that. So why I'm going suddenly is like, it's not a sudden plan. So I have a year-end holidays of 2 weeks. I can't do anything in Bangalore. If I stay in Bangalore, it's like a kharcha for me every day, that I have to eat for food and all. So if I'll be in Bangalore, my mind will be like, go somewhere, pack your bag, go to the trip, like that. So that too, I have some works that I have to finish at my home. That also. So all this makes me to go home. Chilmadi. So from Madanpalli is only 50 kilometers from here. Stop the recording, man. Uyya. Intra. From here this road will be very nice. See the road. This road is like tempting. So before I pull the throttle, I have to turn off the camera. This road is constructed, man. Finally this road is up. So another 5 minutes saved for me. There also 5 minutes saved. And what happened today, I met one biker. So he's riding V-Strom, and he's also going to this one, Nellore. Such a nice person. So we share the experiences with new people, and we'll also take the experiences, how they ride and all, what are their passion. So bikers are of different types. He is a off-road biker, mostly towards off-road biker, and also he also goes to ride. He finished the Ladakh trip and all, which is very good, that I am planning to and postponing it for every year. Thank you. you, Karnataka, and welcome to Andhra Pradesh. Nice vibe after almost 2 months, not almost 2 months, around 2 months. Feels so good. Feels like coming to my home. Already reached my home. This is a good vibe. But I don't know that these roads will not come under any state or what. This comes under Andhra only, but I don't know why roads are not up to the mark, because there are a lot of speed breakers here. By the time you reach Madanapalli, you have to cross at least 20 speed breakers. Yeah, what we can do. Chalo. Okay, I just stopped here for a moment to have some water, and also just to remove this one here, what we call that mount, phone mount that got loosed and it is hanging. So yeah, just to remove it and keep it in the bag, I stopped. The dangerous thing is people will come in the opposite direction, and if we are speeding, it will be a risk. So I would request people, whoever going fast, make sure you people are in this lane here. So this is the safest lane, guys.
Can I be your superhero? You take the light with you and you go. You're not coming knocking on my door now. I try to lie, was it always so? Cause nothing feels the same anymore. I've seen this all before. Why didn't I do more? Now I'm picking up the pieces from the floor. How could we just ignore our problems? Now they pour out, filling up the room with silence. Can you be my nightlight? And I'll be your superhero. Superhero. Can I be your superhero? I'm sorry if it's taking me a while. I'm trying to figure out who I am. The city lights are keeping me up at night, so I don't even bother going to bed. I'm tired of wasting away my time. I would give up everything to be near you. Oh, I miss the days when you were mine, but I can be your superhero. I shouldn't call you at night when I'm here all alone, thinking about the last time I tried to tell you what my feelings were like. I'm usually not the one to try to swallow my pride. Oh my, oh, what you doing to me? Ice cold veins when you cut me deep, I'll bleed out. I feel like I'm losing it. Oh, why is it so hard for me to breathe now?
వీడియో నచ్చితే లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయడం మర్చిపోకండి. See you in the next vlog.